In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Pinterest Pin It button on Google Chrome step by step so you can save images to Pinterest much faster while you browse the web. This is a super handy setup if you use Pinterest for inspiration, ideas, shopping, recipes, or content planning. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Before you do anything else, make sure you're connected to the internet because we'll need access to the Chrome Web Store. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. From there, go down to Extensions and then click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the official store where you can find browser extensions safely. Now that the Chrome Web Store is open, go to the search bar and type Save to Pinterest, then press Enter on your keyboard. You should see the Pinterest extension show up in the search results. Once you spot it, click on Save to Pinterest to open the extension page. On this page, you'll see more details about the extension, including what it does and how it works. To install it, simply click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then display a confirmation window asking if you want to add the extension to your browser. This is the normal security step, so just review it and then click Add Extension. After that, Chrome will automatically download and install the Pinterest button for you. Give it a few seconds, and once it's finished, the extension will be ready to use. Now here's the part where you actually test it out. Open any website or any image that you want to save to Pinterest. When you hover over the image, you should see a small Save to Pinterest button appear. That means the extension is working correctly. Just click that button and you'll be able to save the image directly to your Pinterest account without having to manually download and upload it yourself. This is a huge time saver, especially if you browse a lot of visual content and want to collect ideas quickly. Whether you're saving design inspiration, product images, blog graphics, or creative references, the Pinterest Pin It button makes the whole process much easier and faster. And that's it. You've now installed the Pinterest Pin It button on Google Chrome and learned how to use it on any image you find online. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.